Hi everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today let's talk about how to fix hotels.com double charged error. So to fix this issue, you can start by determining if the charge is pending or posted. Just check your bank or credit card statement. If the charge is say pending, just wait for 3 to 5 business days. Temporary holds often drops off automatically once the transaction is finalized. If the charges are posted, move to the next step. Now the next what you can do is contact the hotel. If the double charge is from the hotel itself, contact the property directly. Ask for the front desk manager and provide your hotels.com booking confirmation and a card statement. Now, the next what you can do is contact hotels.com customer service if the double charge is from hotels.com or the hotel refuses to refund or prepaid booking. Just reach out to them directly through your hotels.com app. Just go to your account at the bottom right corner and then scroll down to help and feedback. Now, under help and feedback section, you will see chat now option. Just tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, you will be able to chat with the virtual agent of hotels.com. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.